Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a fun Happy Mail share to share with you. So my friend Sabrina Ann had sent me some, looks like Halloween Happy Mail or Boo Mail. So I'm gonna open this with you guys. Now, I did take a little peek, but only because this arrived on Halloween and I was in desperate need of candy. So I did look and see if there were any candies in here, and there were, I think, some little peeps. They were over here in this little corner. You can see I've already crushed those. But that was the only kind of little peeking I did. I just looked in the little corners, saw what I needed, and that was that. So let's go ahead and take a look in here. Oh, look! Oh, she sent me a TN. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and look, it's a little coffin box. Oh, and it's Jack. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I want to look at this though. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, she was selling some of these on her channel. Did you guys get any? If you did, leave me a comment down below, because she makes the cutest little TN. So there's a little Papermate Ink Joy. And then look how cute. Oh, it's like textury. It's black with orange polka dots. Oh, this is so adorable. Sabs, thank you. Look at the little pumpkin guy. He's so cute. Oh, and I love that the little holes over here, and it wraps. That's cool. Whoa. This is amazing. I love her TNs, you guys. She made me a Halloween one last year, and now I have another one. Oh, look how cute. They're shiny. They're shiny little ghosties. And I used it this year to help me keep track of my October daily and stuff. So this is so fun. Thank you so much, Sads. It's so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. If you guys are interested in any of her little TNs, definitely subscribe to her channel. She will post them from time to time for sale in videos on her channel. And she might be doing some Christmas ones. So if she is, definitely grab one because they are so cute. And then there was this little Jack Skellington. Oh, look, he's so cute. Which one is that? I think it's Barrel, right? I think that one's Barrel. The candy corns. Oh, there's more chocolates in here. I didn't see them. Anita Mortician. That's funny. There's a little jack-o'-lantern. This is so cute. I love the size of this. And looks like there's even more candies in there, which is, it's good, but it's also not good. So I'll probably have to share it with Spency. Another little candy. So cute. Oh, look. Oh, she gave me some of her bows she made. These are so stinking cute. I love this die that she has. It's so adorable, and they're super sparkly. That is so cute. Oh, look at it. It's so adorable. I love it. These are so amazing. And then she made me a little bookmark. She makes the cutest bookmarks, you guys. Look how adorable. She's got a little pumpkin skirt on. It's so cute. She made me a bookmark last year for Christmas. It had the most adorable polar bear on it. So I'm so excited now to have a little Halloween one. And I love how she does little tops. This is so stinking cute. Oh, I love all the little shakery bits. Oh, she has little striped socks. It's so cute. I dig it. Thank you so much, Sabs. All right, and then these are Nightmare Before Christmas themed. So this is one of the 3 trick-or-treater dudes, and I think this is gum, right? Yeah, so Spency will be chewing on this, I'm sure. These little tiny jemmies are so cute. And I love her rosette. She always does the cutest little rosettes. And then there's a little Jack Skellington here, and he's on his little hill in front of the moon. More little jemmies. So cute. I love how she packages things. Oh, look, little candies. I am a ghost, and bye. I guess goodbye. That's so adorable. Oh, Spency's so gonna love helping me eat all this candy. And then there is this coffin box that is amazing. So I'm gonna scooch some of these things aside. So I wonder what's in here. I do not know. Oh, look, he's so cute. Oh, it's a little rosette on a what? What is that? I don't know. I'm not there yet. What is this? A little card? Aw. Aw, she's so sweet. It's like a tiny little card. Oh, I'm gonna go put that like right in my October daily so I don't misplace it. She's so sweet, you guys. Oh my gosh. What is this? It's a push pop thing. I know that. Is there stuff inside, or is it just like poof for funsies? How does this work, Sabs? I don't know. Does it work? I don't know. What's in here? Okay, so I've opened it and there's like little goodies in there. So there's like a little candy corn guy and some like little sequins and little buttons. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's all sorts of fun little things. And crinklies, of course. This is so cute. This is such a great idea. Look at the little cauldron pot, and these bats are super cool. Those are awesome. So stinking cute. I can't even. And then a lollipop. Some more candy corns. This one has a skull on it. That's pretty amazing. Oh, and then she gifted me some of her crepe paper that did she sew it? Yeah, she did. Oh, yay. I'm so excited because I'm so terrified of trying this myself. So the fact that now I have some and I don't have to try to make it and destroy my sewing machine in the process is amazing. It's so cute. And I love how she like wrapped it on a wooden spool. It's such a good idea. It's so cute. Oh, look at the little jack-o'-lantern. He's so fun. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's a ton of sequin mix. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. So it's like little ghosties and pumpkins and seed beads and like these little confettis that she made. That is so cute. And this is like glass. Whoa, this is legit. It's so adorable. Oh, and there's spiders too. So cute. And that's a lot. You guys, that's a lot of mix. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Now, what is this? I don't know. It's a little spoon wrapped around a little bag. What is in here? I don't know. Does this come out? Do you come out, friend? Or maybe this was maybe the candies were in here? I don't know. But I don't want to like rip this out. I think it's supposed to come out. Okay, so there's some glitter in a little bag. So pretty and super sparkly. Oh my goodness. Okay, so maybe she taped it in there so it wouldn't come out. And then there's like a little wooden spoon. So cute. And it has like orange on it. Sabs, where do you find these adorable things? I do not know. They're so cute. And then some little rosettes. So this one says Happy Halloween, and it's got gemmies and glitter paper and black and white stripes. I love it. And then this one is orange and black, I think it's cat paper or owl paper. And then a little owl on the front, some more gemmies. That is so stinking cute. You guys, she makes the cutest handmade embellishments. Like, I can't even. They're so adorable. All right, so this is everything that Sabs sent me in my Halloween Happy Mail. Sabs, thank you so much for doing this for me. This is so sweet. I'm so glad that we can swap fun stuff like this, but I'm even more glad and super thankful that we're such good friends. So thank you so much, girl. If you guys are not following Sabrina, I will leave a link to her YouTube and Instagram down below for you guys to go check her out. She also did a crap ton of videos in October, so if you are still wanting some spooky inspiration or to watch October dailies or anything like that, again, definitely give her channel a look, okay? But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!